Ever feel like you're pouring money into PPC but the conversion tap is just dripping? Chris here from PPC Geeks. Let's talk about a game changer. CRO. That stands for Conversion Rate Optimization. Think CRO is just about flashy landing pages? Think again. It's about smoothing the path from a curious clicker to a committed customer. And that path should be a slide, not a hurdle. Boosting conversion rates means more bang for your buck. Simple. But here's the snag. CRO often takes a back seat. Why? Well, it's a mix-up of roles, responsibilities, and frankly, a bit of a blame game. CRO isn't a solo act, it's part of the band. Combine it with the right traffic and you've got a symphony of successful campaigns. Why do we harp on about CRO? Because a clunky website could be your Achilles heel. Slow to load, tricky to navigate, lacking clear information, that's what's tripping up your conversions. And remember, it's all about testing. What works for one might not work for another. Best practices are a starting point, not gospel. You knew this was coming, right? Tracking. Without precise tracking, you're navigating without a map. You won't know if your changes are treasure or trash. And to double down on CRO. It's always a good time, but first you need to get the basics right. Tracking, targeting and structure. Are you feeling a sting of recognition? We've got the compass to get you back on course.